I've been waiting for 2 hours. I've been waiting since 8 o'clock. Sally has been working here for 6 months. Sally has been working here since April. I haven't seen Tom for 3 days. I haven't seen Tom since Monday. They've been married for 10 years. They haven't had a holiday for 10 years. I've lived here all my life.
They haven't had a holiday in 10 years.
When did it start raining?
It started raining an hour ago.
Or,
It started raining at 1 o'clock.
How long has it been raining?
It's been raining for an hour.
or,
It's been raining since 1 o'clock.
When did Joe and Carol first meet?
They first met a long time ago.
or,
They first met when they were at school.
How long have they known each other?
They've known each other for a long time.
or.
They've known each other since they were at school.